Hello, my name is Caitlin Moody, and the business I'm presenting is Nature's Way Cafe, which brings the quality of a healthy restaurant at the convenience of a coffee shop. We noticed that there are several problems facing big coffee shops right now. First, there aren't enough healthy food and drink options, and the options that are available are not made with fresh ingredients. Usually they have been pre-prepared or have been frozen. And finally, soup is not available at any of the big coffee shops. So our solutions are to provide a variety of healthy food and drink options for anyone who is interested, to use fresh, high-quality ingredients, and to offer a daily soup. Our business adds value because it appeals to many people. It uses fresh, local, organic, non-GMO ingredients, so people will not have to worry about preservatives or how long their food has been sitting there. In addition, the store design is large and modern, so people will be able to spread out, relax, talk with friends, or work on business or homework. This business presents a great opportunity because it's attractive, it's timely, it's durable, and it adds value. It's attractive because it has healthy options, it's convenient, and it's affordable, so people will want to come. It's timely because health is very trendy right now, and more people are seeking healthy options. It is durable because people want to stay healthy and they'll need to keep coming to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And it adds value because it gives options that were previously not available. Our target market is people who are health conscious, whether it be for fitness reasons or because of dietary restrictions. We have several products. First, we have sodium-free soups, and there will be 2 freshly made soups every day. We have sandwiches, which are made on whole wheat or gluten-free bread. We also have gluten-free pastries for anyone with a sweet tooth. We offer loose-leaf tea that's made with different blends of herbs for a variety of health benefits. We also have smoothies made with real produce and low-fat yogurt. And of course, we have dairy-free options for anyone who does not want cow's milk. We asked people to rank the order of importance of healthy food and drink options, fresh, never frozen, locally sourced food and ingredients, and soup as a featured product. And as you can see, they said that healthy food and drink options were equally as important as fresh, never frozen, locally sourced ingredients. And 100% of people said that soup is their third priority. This confirmed our assumptions. However, everyone said that even though it's not as important, they like the idea of having soup and thought it was a great idea. For price, we are suggesting $3.50 per cup of soup, $5 for a bowl of soup, and $8 for a lunch combo that will have both soup and a sandwich. These prices are comparable to similar businesses, and for the quality of the food, everyone said that they felt that they would be getting their money's worth. Our assumptions: our direct competitors are Mazevo, Starbucks, and City Brew, which are the large coffee shops in Billings. Our other alternatives come to 36%. These account for people who have coffee at home or elsewhere. Our potential market is 41,065 people. This number came from the number of people in Billings who are over 18, and it also factors in the people who are health conscious and who drink coffee. Our frequency is 104, which means we assume that people will come twice a week, and our gross margin is 0.7. The sensitivity analysis shows that if the frequency drops to 35, the net present value will be negative. This means that in order to be positive, people need to come in 36 times a year. And right now, since we're projecting 104 as the frequency, we are well within that range. We also found that there must be less than 15 competitors for NPV to remain positive. Again, we're projecting 5 competitors, so again, we are within the means. Here is the cash flow. As you can see, in year 0, it's projected to be negative. That's because we are investing into the business. But in years 1 through 5, you can see how quickly it grows. The projected NPV is $2,605,198.82. The internal rate of return is 111%, and the break-even point in units is 53,241.02. In conclusion, the NPV will be positive as long as the critical values remain within the range, and we are showing that all of the values are well within the range. And finally, this opportunity is attractive, it adds value, it's timely, and it's durable. So this business is feasible and would be a great investment because it shows strong potential. So come to Nature's Way Cafe. Our food and drinks are delicious, and you'll be surprised that they're healthy too. Everyone is sure to find something they'll love. We promise our food and atmosphere will make you feel so at home that you'll return again and again. Thank you so much for listening.